Planking is so popular because it covers most, if not all, of the major core muscles that you should focus on. It engages some of the largest muscle groups in the body, from your core to your glutes, back, quads, shoulders, biceps, and triceps. The versatility and accessibility make it one of the most incredible, well-rounded full-body exercises. What is even better is that doing a plank doesn't take much time at all. In fact, if you are a beginner, start by holding a plank position for 1 minute per day. Once you start becoming stronger, gradually increase the duration of your plank. Here are the 7 things that happen when you do planks every day. Number 1. You will burn calories. Plank is one of the best calorie-burning exercises. A plank hold engages multiple muscles at once, thereby benefiting the core strength of your body. Not just burning the fat around your abdomen area, they also help in strengthening your upper body as well as a tighter tummy. It might look simple, but requires a lot of resilience and balance. This way, the longer you are able to stay in the plank position, the better it is. To lose belly fat, experts suggest that you stick to the goal of holding a plank for about 60 seconds for a minimum of 3 times. If you are a beginner, 60 seconds can be a big challenge, but you should work on that. Number 2. Your posture will improve. By strengthening your back, chest, shoulders, neck, and abs, this exercise makes it easier to keep your shoulders back and your lower back in a neutral position while sitting or standing, both of which are very important for a good posture. This is especially true if you work a desk job in which you're constantly rounding your back, shoulders, and neck while sitting in front of a computer all day. Number 3. Your back pain will subside. When you do a plank right, not only can you prevent back injury, but you may also get rid of your back pain entirely. According to the American Council on Exercise, the plank is an excellent exercise to manage back pain because it contracts all the major muscle groups of the core without requiring much movement, strengthening the deep abdominal muscles to help stabilize the spine. Planks can strengthen your back muscles and ensure more support and stability for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. Number 4. Your core will become stronger. There are few exercises that work your total body and core strength so intensely as the plank. Planks work out all the muscles of your core. While many people think of the core as solely the muscles of the abdomen, the core is much more complex than that. The core is actually everything from the hips to the shoulders. This includes the 4 primary muscle groups of the abdomen. All of these muscles must contract and work in conjunction to hold your body in place and maintain proper form. The result is enhanced core strength that can help you in your day-to-day life, as well as make you stronger and more athletic. Number 5. Your whole body will become stronger. Planks don't just target your abs, but require almost all the major muscle groups in your body to work together. Planks strengthen your spine, rhomboids, lats, trapezius, core, quads, glutes, hamstrings, shoulders, and triceps when done properly. Planks are an example of a functional exercise. These exercises, which incorporate multiple muscle groups, are more effective than exercises that target one muscle group because functional exercises mimic the ways our bodies move during day-to-day activities. Planks are challenging, so at first, you may only be able to hold them for 5 to 10 seconds. Many people find that they can increase their plank time weekly or even daily if they do them often enough. Number 6. You will become more flexible. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, which are the shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, the arches of your feet, and the toes. These muscle areas will grow and stretch when you continue to plank, which is great because stretching these muscles will make you much more flexible over time. Number 7. You will feel happier. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. This works because they stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. Also, practicing plank pose, or any physical activity, releases a neurochemical substance in the brain called endorphins, which are known to increase feelings of happiness and decrease feelings of stress. This pose can also aid in tension relief, as your body is encouraged to stretch and lengthen when performing the pose. No matter your fitness level, planks are a good exercise to incorporate into your fitness routine. The plank is a fantastic, simple exercise that can be learned by anyone and should be a part of everyone's exercise routine. The plank has a large number of different benefits, and since the exercise targets your core muscles in such an extravagant fashion, these benefits can span your entire body. Your muscles, your bones, your mood, and even your organs can become healthier by regular use of the plank. Have you already been practicing the plank pose? How long can you hold a plank pose? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now go ahead and watch any of the other 2 videos on your screen. They too are full of expert and research-backed health tips. So stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one.